Are you a student who uses iPhone? You must once feel very heavy to buy a new charger for your iPhone because you knew the official Apple charger costs a lot. And you have to buy a good quality charger in order to protect your inner battery health. Right, I understand you guys so much. So because of that, I got something to show you. Before we get into the real product, let me first introduce myself. Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Umaira Kaisa and I'm from the EC1B. And today we'll be talking while reviewing about a product called UGREEN Power Delivery 20-watt charger. Let me show you. So in my hand right now, I have the UGREEN Power Delivery 20-watt power, the adapter and the cable. This charger supports multiple protection like overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and also thermal guard technology. The material for this is a type of PC material that is fire resistant and it weighs about 57 grams. Another thing is that if you buy this from their official UGREEN website, you can get 2-year product warranty from the UGREEN itself. Now, you must think this is just another China unknown product again, right? Well, I'm afraid this is not the case with this product. So I did my research on this particular brand and the charger model before I buy this. And I can say that this is one of those brands you can trust. This cable is also MFI certified. This matters if you want to use your iPhone with full compatibility with the charger. So some of you guys might not know what is MFI. So MFI stands for Made for iPhone/iPads. This is basically an Apple licensing program for a third-party hardware accessories that connects to Apple devices to make sure that it complies with the Apple standard. After hearing that, are you still unsure of its performance? Well, let me compare the UGREEN charger with the official Apple charger. So what is the difference between this Apple charger and the UGREEN charger? Well, as I'm holding the charger right now, the Apple feels slightly heavier than the UGREEN charger. Another difference between these two is the price itself. You guys already knew the Apple charger costs a lot, but the difference is big, you guys.
Now let us look at the official Apple store. Click on the accessories, go to the iPhone, and the charging essentials. Scrolling down, there is it. That's my USB-C to lightning cable, and look at the price. It is 159 ringgit for the cable only, guys. For students, that does sound too much. What about the adapter? ADAPTER adapter. And that is my 20-watt power adapter. Aha! I told you guys, it's 99 ringgit. So if I combine these two, I will be needing at least another 300 ringgit for the charging essentials.
Now, what about my UGREEN charger?
Now we go to the UGREEN Malaysia website. And this is mine, the one that came in a set. And look at the price. It is less than 90 ringgit. The good thing is you can get those at cheaper price at their official TikTok account because they always do live streaming discount price. And this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, they got so much color. For example, black, blue, purple, pink, and white. And the price is less than 60 ringgit.
UGREEN have like a thicker and better cable protection. Unlike Apple, this one can easily be bent while you are charging. It may look very small, but it actually makes a big difference. This is my second Apple charger. I also have the cable from the original Apple store, and mine only lasts for like 1 year because of this. Because I always like store my phone while laying down my bed. The point this and the cable got separated off. So if you are someone just like me, this is game changer. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons of the UGREEN charger. It is MFI certified, so I do not have to worry about my battery health. Another pros of the charger is that it is very student friendly. And since they also came in a set, both the charger and adapter, I think that's very convenient. You don't have to buy a different charger and adapter. Another thing that I like about this UGREEN charger is that they came in many different colors. The cons about this, one thing I don't like about my UGREEN charger is that it's not foldable like the Apple one. I read some of the reviews on TikTok and their shopping platform. 2 out of 5 of the users complain about how it always overheats the phone and that it malfunctions after a few months of using. But I personally think it's based on how each individual's used up. Because so far I've been using this for like 5 months now. So far so good. And another con about this charger is you got only one port here, which means you can only charge one device at a time. Because I know some students prefer to have adapter that can connect to multiple devices because it's more convenient for them, they say. Now to sum up my review and my personal thoughts, I give this UGREEN charger a 4.6 out of 5 stars. So with that being said, I totally recommend this product to you guys who are watching this video right now, mainly because of its performance that worth the price. And the reason why I did not give a full 5 stars is because, like I said, I wish mine is foldable like Apple, because this bulky thing, if I put this in my bag, it does bulge. You can see the bulging from the outside of the bag. And I feel like this will scratch. Like, imagine you put this charger inside of your handbag with your phone, and this can sometimes scratch your phone. So I do not like that. And another reason is that because I really wish mine is in pink, because I love pink so much. So that's why I say I'm gonna buy the pink color next time. Since it is produced in a large quantities, especially China product, so the quality protocol is not as tight as the Apple's. Mine came with a scratch here. That's why I put the stickers. These cables are made up of a very good quality rubber that are not easily torn and very durable. The adapter itself is very lightweight, so I really like this about that, because this is very travel friendly, student friendly. You want to bring it in your school bag, you want to bring this in your luggage. It says the price isn't as expensive as Apple's. Even if it gets lost, it didn't feel like too much of a big deal. And just like the review said, it does become hot sometimes, and that is only when I was using my phone while charging, while doing heavy and multitask things on my iPhone. So honestly, you guys shouldn't play your phone while charging, guys. Okay, please avoid that because it's not good for the phone. It's dangerous.